A bountiful harvest of aubergine or eggplant, that's not something that farmer Ousmane Sow takes for granted. He's one of over 20,000 farmers living in the Niayes region of northwestern Senegal. Many live close to the coast and so potentially face the threat of erosion and sandstorms. But a belt of trees is helping to protect them. Almost 200 kilometers long, it's 500 meters wide at its narrowest point. The forest was planted 40 years ago as a shield against wind and coastal erosion. Regional Farmers Union representative Mamadou Ndiaye says filao trees or whistling pines were specifically chosen because they can thrive in a harsh coastal environment and because they stabilize the dunes.
Ici où nous sommes, c'était vraiment du sable blanc.
Right here where we are now was once nothing but white sand. Niayes is known for its living dunes. Before these trees were planted, the dunes would move with the wind and cause erosion. They covered large land basins and hindered the producers' agricultural activities. They made it impossible for the farmers to settle the air.
Mais aussi ne permettant aux producteurs de se sédentariser.
Today, 60% of Senegal's vegetable production comes from the Niayes region. An estimated 225,000 tons are produced here annually. It has become the country's food basket, and it was the pine trees that allowed farmers like Ousmane Sow to create their fields.
It was only after the trees were planted that we were able to live and work the land here. At first, we could only put up temporary shelters because the sand knocked down everything in its path. Thanks to the pine trees, the sand is stable, and because of that, we have a fertile forest.